anything wrong. Please, I can't spend the weekend in jail. Please, you don't understand. Please.
Listen, Emily.
It's late August in Middletown Township. Officers respond to a report of an intoxicated person trying to drive away from a local bar. What starts as a welfare check on a driver claiming heartbreak quickly shifts gears when Patrolman Bartoloni detects the signs of impairment. Is this just an emotional crisis or a criminal offense? Let's see how it unfolds.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Fantastic. Pissed off that my boyfriend doesn't give a shit about me.
All right. Why is that?
Because he's and all men suck.
Okay. All right. I'm Patrolman Bartoloni. I just gotta let you know my body camera's on. Okay.
That's fine.
All right. So what's going on tonight?
I drank 3 sips from here and I got feeling of this type of liquor that they use.
Okay.
I don't feel good. I want to go home. My boyfriend doesn't treat me right. He doesn't give a shit about me. I'm just upset because he treats me like shit and I just want him to love me.
Okay.
And my life is falling the fuck apart. I sleep on a recliner. I don't have people who I can rely on.
All right. What's your name?
Emily.
Emily? All right, Emily. Why don't you step out of the car for me?
Why?
Why? Because you had some drinks tonight.
I had one.
All right.
Not even a few sips of it.
Okay.
I'm just pissed off because he treats me like shit.
I'm gonna make sure you're okay to drive. Okay. I'm gonna make sure you're okay to drive. All right, and then we're gonna go from there. Okay. Why don't you come over here for me? Come over here.
Right. It's not right.
Okay.
I do everything for everybody else and I get treated like shit.
All right, Emily. What I'm gonna have you do? Okay. We're gonna go through some field sobriety tests. Okay. That's what we're gonna do right now.
I'm sorry.
Okay?
I'm just really upset. I've had a long ass day. I've been up 5 in the morning.
I understand.
I just had the longest fucking day.
Okay, I understand. I just, we got to do what we got to do, right? All right, so what we're going to do, okay, we're going to face this way. Okay, as I explained to you, what we're going to do, all right, and then we're going to go and do it, okay? All right, so first test we're going to do, okay, is the straight line test, okay? So it's the heel to toe walking test, okay? So what I'm going to have you do, okay, is you're going to stand with your hands by your side. Hold on, I didn't tell you to start yet. I did not tell you to start yet. Emily, come here. Come here.
I'm just upset.
All right, Emily, come here. Come here.
I want it to be over.
Emily, come here. Okay. Come here. You're going to stand with your feet together. Okay? Hands by your side.
I walk on my feet. I walk on the sides of my feet.
Hold on. Let me explain. Let me explain. Okay? And then we'll do the test. Okay? You can take your shoes off. That's okay.
Because they're
that's okay.
And they will fuck me up.
That's okay. Alright, so as I explained the test, okay, what I want you to do is place your right foot in front of your left. Okay, hands at your side. Hold on. I didn't say to start yet.
Okay.
Okay, so put your right in front of your left. Okay, right in front of your left. Heel to toe. Right foot in front of your left foot.
You said my right?
Right foot in front of your left foot. Look at me. Emily. Look at me. Look at me. Do not start walking yet. Okay?
Yes, officer.
Okay. So, the only thing I'm asking you to do is stand with your hands at your side, okay, and put your right in front of your left, and stay like that as I explain the test. Okay? Perfect, just like that. Heel to toe.
Sorry, I'm...
Heel to toe. Wait, I didn't explain the test yet.
You said heel to toe. So
right, I did not explain the test yet.
I thought I was good to go.
No. I'm going to tell you when you could start.
Sorry.
Okay? So when you know that you're going to be able to start, I'm going to say you may begin. Okay?
Yes, officer.
All right. So again, hands at your side, right foot in front of your left foot, heel to toe. Heel to toe, just like this. Your heel, right? So your heel, your right heel should touch the front of your left foot.
I can't do that normally. What do you mean?
All right, the best you can. You're right in front of your left. Okay. So what you're going to do, okay, is you're going to take 9 steps forward, okay, heel to toe. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate. Okay, so 9 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, simulating this is the 9th step. Okay, you're going to take a small series of pivots. Okay, and you're going to take 9 steps heel to toe going backwards. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, until you reach 9. Do you understand those instructions?
Yes.
Okay, so right foot in front of your left foot.
So I have to go up forward until I turn around and then I reach 9
so you
backwards?
So you reach 9 steps going forward, small pivots, 9 steps going back. You understand those instructions?
Yes, 9 steps forward,
okay.
9 steps back.
So you may begin.
I lost count.
Okay, just when you think you hit 9 steps, turn around and count out loud going back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, good. Alright, so now the next thing I want you to do, okay, is you're going to stand like this, with your heels together, hands down at your side. Okay, as I explain this next test to you.
Yes.
That is the 1 leg stand. Okay? So the 1 leg stand.
Trying to break me.
The 1 leg stand, okay, is you're going to pick a foot of your choosing, okay, and you're going to lift it approximately 6 inches off the floor. So about a soda can. Okay?
Okay.
Height off the floor. Okay, so it's going to look like this. If you pick up your right, you're going to pick it up like that, and if it's your left, you're going to pick it up like that. Okay? What you're going to do, you're going to point your toe and look down at your toe. Okay?
Okay.
As you're doing the test.
Do my knees have to be like touching?
So look, you're going to go like this, you're going to count out 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Okay? Until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Do you understand those instructions?
Yes, officer.
Okay. You have any questions? Okay. You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have no balance whatsoever.
Okay.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Sorry, I can't do this like normally. I failed ballet. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Alright, you can stop. You can stop. Alright.
Want me to do the other way?
Nope, you can stop. You're good. Alright, Emily, so what I'm going to have you do, okay, is you're going to face your car. Okay, you're going to face your car. Okay. You're going to put your hands behind your back. Okay. You are being placed under arrest for DUI.
Notice the shift here. Emily blames her performance on balance issues and nerves, but police are looking at the totality of circumstances. Her earlier admission to drinking, the odor of alcohol, and failing to follow instructions, like starting too early or putting her foot down, gave the officer enough probable cause for an arrest.
I didn't do anything wrong. Please, I can't spend the weekend in jail. Please, you don't understand. Please, please.
Listen, Emily, do you have people nearby who come pick you up?
I didn't do anything.
Yes, she does.
Who?
That I can call them back right now. They can.
Please.
Who's that?
My boyfriend, James.
Please.
Are they sober?
He doesn't drink an ounce.
He doesn't drink an ounce. Please, let me go home with him.
Not now. But we're gonna go to headquarters.
I can't go to jail.
Emily, let me explain. You're gonna go to headquarters. Okay. We're gonna get processed. Okay, and then we're gonna allow you to call somebody to come pick you up.
Please, I didn't do anything fucking wrong. I'm not even drunk.
Can I know
Headquarters.
the location? Hey, headquarters is that way?
Right there.
Do you know the
Courtney,
address?
please
One
tell
Kings
them
Highway.
I'm not drunk.
Sorry, what?
1 Kings Highway. The big building right there.
I was a few drinks. I just
I'm not
really
going to be able to argue with them. This isn't about that, but I can get
404 to the OIC. I'm going to hook for one. John's Law.
I didn't do anything wrong. Please.
Emily, your breath smells like alcohol. Okay.
All I had was a few sips of their stupid margarita.
Okay, listen. Your breath smells like alcohol. Okay, you have an odor of an alcohol beverage coming from your breath. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2, you didn't pass 1 test. Okay. So now, with DUI, you had intent to drive your car. Okay. That is
No,
Under the
they were
statute
gonna
of
drive me
39,450.
home. No, they
You
were
in
gonna
the
drive me
driver's seat with
home.
the car started.
Because I just wanted to air.
That's intent to drive the car.
No, I wasn't
Okay?
gonna drive
So
my
I'm
car.
not
She
gonna
was
argue.
gonna drive me home.
I'm not
Please.
gonna argue with you. I'm not gonna argue with you.
I don't wanna go. I
this
don't wanna
is
go
how
to
it is.
jail, please.
Here's the keys.
Please.
Do you have a ride home?
I do. He's coming back around. He was just dropping off the other girl. That is all he's doing.
Okay. Okay.
Wait.
All right, come on.
Am I gonna get in trouble? Please. I don't know.
Hold on.
Please, I didn't do anything.
Fortune,
I'm not
you have
even
one
gonna
female,
drive my
41.
car. Please, I'll have them drive me home. Please.
All right, come this way. Come this way so I can open the door.
Please, I didn't do anything. I'm just upset.
All right.
My boyfriend broke up with me.
Hold on. Don't step in the car yet. Do not step in the car yet. I gotta search you before you get in the car.
Please, don't.
What's in this pocket right here?
My wallet.
Okay.
Please don't take me to headquarters, please.
You have to. Okay, I have
I'll redo the test,
Emily,
please.
turn around. Turn around.
Please.
Anything else in your pocket?
No. Please.
Okay. All right, step in the car.
Please. I can't. Please, I can't afford a DUI.
Yeah. Okay. So she'll be. Yeah. It's like a mark on. It's a mark and this and that, but it's not.
She's not going to county or nothing like that.
I
no.
know.
She's not going to county. She's going to get a summons. All right. Unfortunately,
just
just wait.
idea of how long it would take. Only because my boyfriend has work.
An hour, hour and a half.
Thank you.
All right.
That's super useful.
Hour and a half. We'll bang it out. Bang it out real quick. All right.
Please, I can't afford a DUI. I didn't do anything.
All right.
Please. I'm not drunk. I just had one sip of their fucking margarita at 3.
All right. Well, we're going to take a breathalyzer when we get to headquarters. Okay. 402 County.
31402.
Be transporting one adult female from this location to headquarters, starting mileage 107,753.
31402, transferring one female to headquarters, 2322.
I didn't do it.
402 County, if you can, just make me primary for this incident,
My
please.
boyfriend treats me like shit.
Receive 31402.
I just want to be loved.
I get you, Emily. I do. I get you.
This is my life. Please, I don't want to spend the night in jail.
You're not spending the night in jail, Emily.
I can't. Please.
You're not spending the night in jail.
I did that with my ex-boyfriend, and he punished me for trying to leave.
Emily, you're not spending the night in jail. This will probably take an hour and a half to 2 hours, and then you'll be out, okay? That's it. That's all it is. All right? You're going to get a ticket, and that's it.
I really am not that drunk. I'm not drunk at all. Like,
Alright.
I want him to treat me better, and I just don't understand why
I get you.
keep going through men who treat me like shit.
I get you. But unfortunately, the test and the odor coming from your breath say otherwise.
Balance.
All right.
It's not me being drunk. I just really have bad balance.
Okay. So like I said,
Ask my podiatrist.
listen,
I walk out
Emily,
the sides of my feet.
Emily, listen. When we get to headquarters, all right?
Headquarters at 440, got JNR.
When we get to headquarters, you're gonna do a breathalyzer also, okay?
Okay.
And then we'll go from there, okay?
I literally only had 3 sips of their drink.
Okay, the way you perform the test, okay, and the odor coming from your breath, I can't let you drive. Okay, number one. Number two, you started to drive you wanted to drive the car. You started the car, you got in your car to drive.
Air.
Okay.
I felt like I couldn't breathe. I was hyperventilating so bad because of the way he was speaking to me. You don't understand. He treats me so badly, but I love him so much.
I get you.
I just want to be loved and every guy treats me like
You will. I promise you, your person's out there.
I'm gonna hold on to her house keys. I'll give it back to her.
I would say I could hold on to those, but I think you can't do that, right?
No.
No, probably not.
Just because it's hers.
Yeah. But my boyfriend's completely sober, I swear.
All right.
I had a sip. I stole her drink, and then he's sober.
402 County.
3142.
Transporting water down from mail from this location to headquarters, Sergeant Lounge 107753. 31402, transfer 1 signal headquarters 2322.
Where's your boyfriend at? Like,
He's dropping the other girl home. Fuck, I already forgot her name. I only met her tonight. Julie. Her name's Julie. Yeah. I told them, like, go ahead. I'm gonna stay here for this. I'm not gonna. But.
you guys work together?
Huh?
You guys work together? Her
me and her?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, I thought you said like you had work, she had work.
She's got work. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't even remember where she works, to be real. She switches her job pretty often.
Okay.
She's got a bit of a mess life. Oh, she's working at AT&T now, I think.
Okay.
The tears said heartbreak, but the breathalyzer said 0.121%. Way over the limit. It's a tough lesson. A bad breakup doesn't give you a free pass on the road. Did the officer handle her emotional state correctly? Or was he too rigid? Share your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe for more raw body cam breakdowns. Stay safe.